Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Datadog for big data pipeline monitoring. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Datadog's official website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to access the subscription options. You will now see different pricing plans available. Review the plans to determine. After selecting a plan, click on the Start Free Trial button. A registration form will appear. Fill out the required fields, including your email address and a password. Make sure to agree to the terms of service by checking the box provided. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and find the email from Datadog. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Datadog website. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, follow any setup prompts to configure your account. Next, navigate to the Big Data Pipeline Monitoring section. Here you will find tools and resources to help with your setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to integrate your data sources. Once your data sources are integrated, start monitoring your big data pipeline. Explore the various features available for tracking performance and alerts. Make sure to customize your dashboards for optimal visibility. Finally, review the documentation and support resources available. You are now set to effectively monitor your big data pipeline with Datadog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.